Looking for the best wireless earbuds in 2024? With so many options, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll be breaking down the top wireless earbuds of the year and helping you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your needs. The world of wireless earbuds has come a long way in the past few years, and 2024 brings us some amazing new options. Whether you're an audiophile, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys listening to music on the go, there's an earbud out there for you. In this video, we're going to look at the top wireless earbuds of 2024 and break down what makes each one unique. Number 1. Apple AirPods Pro, second generation. Let's start with one of the most popular options, the Apple AirPods Pro second generation. These have been a favorite among Apple users for years, and the new model takes everything to the next level. With improved noise cancellation, a more powerful H1 chip, and better battery life, the AirPods Pro 2 deliver premium sound quality and a seamless experience for Apple users. And if you're in the Apple ecosystem, you'll love how easily these connect to your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook, making it a no-brainer for Apple fans. Number 2. Sony WF-1000XM5. Next up, we have the Sony WF-1000XM5. Considered one of the best options for audiophiles, Sony has long been a leader in sound quality, and the XM5 model doesn't disappoint. It features industry-leading noise cancellation, crisp and balanced audio, and a comfortable fit for long listening sessions. If you're someone who values sound quality above all else, especially when listening to music or podcasts, the Sony WF-1000XM5 is hard to beat. Number 3. Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II. Another standout option is the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II. Known for their world-class noise-canceling technology, Bose delivers a great experience with these earbuds. Whether you're traveling, working out, or in a noisy environment, these will block out distractions while delivering rich, immersive sound. Bose is perfect if you prioritize comfort and noise cancellation, ideal for frequent travelers or anyone working in loud environments. Number 4. Jabra Elite 7. Active for the fitness enthusiasts, the Jabra Elite 7 Active is the go-to option. These earbuds are designed for people on the move, offering a secure fit and IP57 water and sweat resistance. Whether you're running, cycling, or at the gym, the Jabra Elite 7 Active stays put and keeps you motivated with great sound. So, which wireless earbuds should you buy in 2024? If you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, the AirPods Pro 2 are an excellent choice. For top-tier sound quality, the Sony WF-1000XM5 is unmatched. If noise cancellation is your priority, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 are a great pick. And for fitness enthusiasts, the Jabra Elite 7 Active is your best bet. That's our roundup of the best wireless earbuds for 2024. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Comment below which earbuds you're thinking of buying, and I'll see you in the next one.